Bahami 2 points. Kuya Reggie Teardrop 2 points. The Church 2 points. Bahami Under the Basket 2 points. Fast Break 2 points. Bahami Sun 2 points. The Church 2 points. Put back 2 points. Kuya Reggie Teardrop 2 points. Drive 2 points. Kuya Reggie 2 points. Bahami Sun 2 points. Jump Shot 2 points. Michael Pecchio 3 points. Ryan Ocampo 2 points. Bahami Sun Fast Break 2 points. Attack the Basket 2 points. Ocampo Jump Shot 2 points. Attack the Basket 2 points. Peviola 2 points. Kuya Reggie 2 points. Points. Kuya Reggie Fast Break 2 points. Michael Pegula 2 points. Bahami Sun 2 points. Pegiola 2 points Fast Break. Jump Shot 2 points. Pegiola 3 points. Put back 2 points. End of first set. Kuya Reggie 2 points. Second set. Pegiola 3 points. Kuya Reggie Teardrop 2 points. Kuya Reggie Teardrop 2 points. Teardrop 2 points. jump shot, 2 points. Joey Summer jump shot, 2 points. Jump shot, 3 points. Fast break, 2 points. Steal, 2 points. Fast break, 2 points. Michael Pegiola, fast break, 2 points. Put back, 2 points. Fast break, 2 points. Ocampo, 2 points. Kuya, Reggie spin, 2 points. 2 points. Bahami jump shot, 2 points. Points. Kuya, Reggie teardrop, 2 points. Pegiola, fast break, 2 points. Kuya, Reggie crossover, 2 points. Ryan Ocampo, fast break, 2 points. Ocampo jump shot, 2 points. Kuya, Reggie teardrop, 2 points. Kuya, Reggie fast break, 2 points. Kuya, Reggie teardrop, 2 points. Ocampo, fast break, 2 points. Bahami Sun jump shot, 2 points. Kuya, Reggie exhibition, 2 points. Third and final set. 2 points. Kuya, Reggie spin and teardrop, 2 points. Pegiola, fast break, 2 points. Attack the basket, 2 points. Pegiola, fast break, 2 points. Fast break, 2 points. Bahami jump shot, 2 points. Michael Kagiola fast break to points. Bahami Sun to points. Kagiola fast break to points. Kagiola again fast break to points. Kagiola 3 points. Jump shot 3 points. Kuya Reggie teardrop 2 points. Put back to points. Kuya Reggie to points. Put back to points. Jump shot 2 points. Kagiola fast break 3 points. Attack the basket 2 points. Bahami Sun to points. Michael Kagiola fast break to points. Kuya Reggie fast break to points. Kagiola fast break to points. Bahami under the basket to points. Well attack to points. Fast break to points. Bahami under the basket to points. Fast break to points. Kuya Reggie to points. Teardrop 2 points. Father and son connection to points. Jump shot 3 points.